Hello, sir. I'm Kai Sheng from Python class. So this is my mini project, a simple calculator. So this is my program. I will explain for you from first to the end. So first, I define the A at A dot A and B, and then return with A plus B. Then second is define subtract a C and D, then return with C minus D. And then third is define multiply E and F, and then return with E multiplied by F. And then the next one is define divide G and H, and then return with G divided by H. So first, when you open the my program, it will come and print, hi, this is Kai simple calculator, please use it wisely. So after followed by, please select the function. The first function is add, the second function is subtract, and then come to multiply, divide, and then square root. So it will, after this, it will come out a function to let you enter the function, which is A, B, C, D, E. So if let's say you choose the function in A, B, C, or D, it will come to this program, which is for you to choose. I declare number one as an integer to input the first value, and then number two as an integer to input the second value. So if my function equals to A, if I choose A, it will print my number one, and the first number and the second number I key in, and then it will come out with it will print out the first number plus my second number, and then with the answer. So if I choose B, it will print out my number one and number two with minus subtract, which is subtract with also the answer. So also to C and D is the same, which is multiply or divide. So if I don't want to do any calculation anymore, I just press N. If I want to continue to do calculation, so I just press Y. So it will continue to choose other function. So there's another function which is type E. So it's the square root function. So if let's say I key in to using the E function, then it will import the max. So which is a square root lah. I declare X as my square root, which is number 3. So it will print out the answer in square root also. Let's say if I put 9, so my square root will be 3. So after this, same as the previous, it is when you want to either you want to choose to continue calculation and another function, or you don't want. So if I do anything wrong, which is an invalid input from my program, then it will come out invalid input. So let's run the program. Okay, so first it will pop out the hi, I'm Kai. This is Kai simple calculator. Please use it wisely. So please select the function. So you have 5 functions here. Just demo one by one. So when I choose A, it will pop up to let you enter the first value, which is 20. Maybe I just put 20, and second I just put 60. So it will come out 20 plus 60 equals to 80. So if I want to continue on next calculation, I just press yes, and then I enter a function with another function. So I choose B, enter my first value, maybe I put 6, and then my second value I put 8. So it will come out -2. Then go to next function, I put yes, and then enter the next function with multiply. I just put C, then I enter first value. So my first value maybe I just put 90, and then my second value I put 6. So it will come out 540. If I So next I go to D lah, which is divide. So I just enter D, and then I'm gonna enter my first value. I put 8 and divide by 2. So it will come out 4. So next, I go to the square root function. So I just choose E and then enter my first value, enter my value lah. So maybe I just put 81. So it will come out 9. So if I don't want to do any calculation, I just press N. So it will end the calculator lah. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.